system, like it's going to help try to keep some of the
2000 Saturn blower motor.
inside legs always in this car.
Where is it?
Oh, yeah.
Getting to
Looks
it.
good too. I mean,
Blower motor on a Saturn. That just kind of clips into place on the corners, right over there, over there.
Right next to his workstation.
Because you're so full of crap. Please edit here.
I said but, right?
You're making my job really difficult.
It's my job here.
Just some nice easy Phillips screws that hold that in place.
He goes, well, yours was missing. He goes, yeah, but I could have got away with not having one. I didn't actually need it. Like you said, he goes, no, you didn't actually need it. He goes, then why did you sell it to me? He goes, to make the sale. Oh, that was the stripped drain plug escape guy.
I'm sure it's not because they have any kind of quotas or targets to reach. They're at Jiffy Lube.
Yeah, well, that's what the guy said. He goes, you might want to edit this, Todd. I'm about to start swearing.
Nice.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Now I'm going to take it out and do it again for real. With some silicone on there or something.
It's a good idea.
Ouch. That's probably going to scrape off.
It does have a rubber seal on here and may or may not come apart in one piece. Might want to use some nice color matching black RTV silicone light coat on there to make it seal up so you don't have any water leak issues on the inside.
What? Look, ever taking this out again?
It's 12 years old. Well, let's assume this person will not have this car in 12 years when that peters out again. Of course, maybe it'll be a classic.
Perhaps. I guess that's a possibility.
Forget if it's 20 or 30 years old before they consider it a classic.
Some people consider Pinot a classic. I just still consider it a pile. Which, of course, my parents owned also. Someone else's post, and then next you know is when it was like, ha! Didn't know Marcy even knew that person. You know, I was or surprised by, you know.
Follow the friends, huh?
Yeah, the clue, follow the list of friends wherever they go.
Yeah.
Oops, there's little holes here. It looks like something like that.
Oh yeah, a couple guide pins. Right down there. Guide pins. Shadows.
Shadow warrior?
Shadow warrior.
Four screws. Oh, are there 4 screws laying down there?
Yep, 4 long screws.
I'm guessing 3 long.
3 and 1 short.
Shucks.
Look at that. 3 long screws, 1 short screw. That should be pretty obvious. Short screw goes right there in case you really care or wondering.
Battery change. Quick change.
Hey!
Airflow.
Oh no.
Little thing holds it in here.
It's a Volkswagen.
Ah, he's gonna drive it in the shop.
Yeah, it sounds like a diesel. I'm not excited, I can tell you.
You want one of those? One of these? Looks like a lot of 8mm bolts. Phillips. Clippy clips. Yeah, wrestle it.
Just wrestle.
To fit in a hole probably. Does it have a hole you think back there, or did?
Well, it goes. It's gotta make it underneath the cowl and then go this way.
I saw a notch. There's a notch on there. Does that fit in that hole? There's a hole up on the top there. Ooh, I heard that click. Click.
I think it's gotta make it underneath this cowl. That's pretty cool.
Got some clicky things there. Click it into place here.
It's a technical term.
Yeah. Clicky. We have a lot of special technical terms here. You can't handle them all at once.
Click it, dude.
Oh, that's tucking underneath that rubber piece there? Yeah, it looks like it. It's tucking underneath the rubber here.
Grammy and Volkswagen down too.
Oh, it's kind of like that window thing. I can only go so far.
Really know how to bring the joy into my life, Rodney.
Well, obviously you guys did something to make me mad. What kind of service are
Hey, Todd, does it matter to you?
Worst idea ever. And of course, put the wiper blades back on. Friction fit. Put them back in the same spot you found them.
24mm.
24mm O-ring gasket thingy. What? Not an O-ring. It's a gasket. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's a nut and gasket all in one. Huh. Seems kind of cheesy. Oh, that holds down the shroud. Look at that. Look at that. Have you seen that? Look at that video. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Look at it. Just look at it.
What's wrong?
And look up proper torque for me.
What's wrong?
Yeah. Proper torque is
Why?
16 inch-pounds probably. 89 inch-pounds, that's pretty popular. Bloop. See the tightening technique there? It's really good. That's not really a 13 millimeter, is it? It is.
It's spinny fingers.
A 13 millimeter looks like a 13 millimeter nut.
I'm expecting a royalty check from this.
Yeah, I was just thinking about the redneck creepers. I know that we talked a little while ago about the beautiful way they work. I don't know if you can talk about it and work at the same time about
you know
the
me,
drag coefficient.
I can't multitask. I'm having a hard time breathing while doing this.
Yeah, we
I can
think
about
that
food though.
the redneck creepers we think have got a really great drag coefficient on them, regular compared to the wheeled type.
Superior slipitude.
Slipitude. Slipitude, that's what I was looking for. Say it one more time.
Slipitude. It's just fun to say. Slipitude. It's not an attitude.